Hello everyone. This is a video for people who want to implement a PayPal payment system, but they want also to know when a user is subscribed or cancel their subscription to any product. So for this, we have two options. We could use um, the PayPal webhook plugin created for Bubble that allows us to create webhooks to capture the events such as subscription created or subscription cancelled. And we can use two options for this scenario. First of all is PayPal dashboard. Yeah, when we want to implement a PayPal payment system, we want to navigate here in dashboard and look for app and credentials. Here we have our apps. Navigate in your app. Yes. And at the bottom of the page, you can see sandbox webhooks because we are in a sandbox environment right now. And we can create here from dashboard webhooks to capture all sort of events that PayPal will trigger for us. For this, we want to have an API workflow that will work like an webhook. Yes, we can navigate here and just add this API here. So you need to provide Bubble API URL to your webhook and choose what event you want to capture on this webhook. Yes, we can use all events, and PayPal will send us events whenever a user is subscribed or unsubscribed or it's or both something from your store. Doesn't matter. Okay. And for example, like my bubble app.com hook. This URL should look like this. Yes, an endpoint, and we can register this. After saving the webhook, as webhook added successfully. This is it. After this, whenever I will a client will trigger an event like subscribe to a product or unsubscribe to it, this webhook will be triggered with the event. Or we could use the second option, that is our plugin. Here, to use this plugin, you just need to grab your PayPal application ID and secret ID, get a token, yes, access token for sandbox or for live. After this, let me demonstrate it real quick. I can grab it from here, paste it from here, actually, and paste it here. Yes, and let's run. get sandbox token. Okay, after we got our token, uh, we can trigger list all webhooks, and we will see that we have our previously created webhook here and the default one from PayPal. We can create webhooks using this plugin without interact with PayPal dashboard. So now, for example, your app webhook.com hook, and we choose the event we want to capture. Let's say it's a subscription. Create webhook. Now the webhook is created. Here it is not updated automatically. We could navigate back in our sandbox, refresh the page, and hopefully we'll have, yes, all three webhooks. Last created is from our plugin with the event type only billing subscription created. This is how the plugin works. Thank you for your attention.